Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw? Hello there. This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started.
Mani, ma-ni, mani, meaning nuts. Papag, pa-pag, papag, meaning wooden bed. Hikaw, hi-kaw, hikaw, meaning earrings. Quintas, 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 meaning necklace. Porcelas, 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 meaning bracelet. Lahat, 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 meaning all or everybody. Kalabasa, 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 meaning squash. Pabango, 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 meaning perfume or cologne. Kuko, kuko, meaning fingernails. Butones, 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 meaning button. Bulak, 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 meaning cotton. Dugo, 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 meaning blood. Baga, 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 meaning lungs. Puso, 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 meaning heart. Ugat, 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 meaning root or veins. Kape, 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 meaning coffee. Saging, 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 meaning banana. Turo, 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 meaning teach or to point at. Hawakan, 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 meaning hold. Balikat, 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 meaning shoulder. Pandakot, 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 meaning dustpan. Pandikit, 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 meaning glue or paste. Talong, 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 meaning eggplant. Sitaw, 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 meaning long beans. Labanos, 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 meaning radish.
Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!